This is an example of a direct quote. You will see in the top the original wording highlighted in blue, and in the bottom in the assignment the original wording has been used exactly the same with quote marks. Afterwards there is a citation including the page number where the information came from. Now you are allowed to use quotes in your assignment. However, quotes should be used sparingly. Usually quotes should be used when the author is particularly well known in your field and their direct words can add credibility to your paper. Additionally, quotes are very useful when an author's words are particularly striking about a particular topic. Be careful not to overuse quotes though. This is what is known as retweet plagiarism, involving you linking several different quotes together in your assignment. Now, combining multiple sources just together in quotes does not demonstrate your original thinking. All it really demonstrates is your ability to copy and paste from individual sources and put quote marks around things.